and yes, a power supply from Baku. Hello and welcome to Platforuma. Today we will be discussing about battery level indicator project. Now this project is quite simple and does not require any microcontroller or coding part. It's simple PCB project. Now let's see what this project consists of. Well, this project consists of a battery level indicator IC which is LM3914N battery level indicator IC, a few set of resistors, a potentiometer, few LEDs, and yes, a power supply from Baku. Let's power this circuit up. As you can see, the current reading for this power supply is 7 volt. Now, the reference voltage that we have set for this project is done by this potentiometer, which is used as a reference. Also, we have used this particular resistor to set the number of LEDs that will be glowing with the increment of each voltage, which is 2 for the current scenario. Let's increase the voltage and see how the battery level indicator project works. Now, we are changing the voltage from 7 to 8. 2 LEDs have already glown. Now, as we keep on increasing the voltage from 8 to 9, the number of LED has increased from 2 to 4 and so on till we increase the voltage till 12. Now, all the LEDs are glowing. Again, when we decrease these voltage, the number of LEDs start to glow down, right? So this is how this battery level indicator project can be used on various projects, including whenever you are traveling, you can use it with your power bank so that you can know how much voltage is left in it. And yes, in other projects, if you are working on, like the previous one we have discussed about the RC project using wireless or Bluetooth module. So if you want to check other projects, kindly get into the link below, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
434 मेगाहर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसी पे सिग्नल को ट्रांसमिट करता है।
RF मॉड्यूल